From WRAL News and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. I'm Cliff Baumgardner. Here's the latest from WRAL.com. Today, State Emergency Management Director Mike Sprayberry outlined a new online system to help North Carolina vet and obtain essential personal protective equipment needed in the fight against the coronavirus. He said the state has ordered $280 million in PPE from various sources, but so far has obtained only 5% of it. The new system is designed to streamline communication with vendors.
This is how the process works. Industry representatives can visit the state's COVID-19 website at nc.gov/COVID-19 and click on the link that says NC is buying critical supplies. Once you register with the website, we have a team of purchasing experts who vet those offers.
Sprayberry said the state's purchasing team has vetted 598 vendors so far, with more than 300 still in the queue to be reviewed. Vendors barred by the state in the past or who demand payment up front will not be considered. Officials say the coronavirus pandemic has increased recycling in Wake County. Cardboard recycling jumped 45% from February to March, while mixed material recycling went up by 20%. Scrap metal recycling increased by 34%, and recycling of major appliances rose by 50%. In a news release, Solid Waste Director John Robertson said, quote, "As we look at these numbers on Earth Day, we're happy to say recycling is growing faster than trash. People are staying at home, getting a head start on spring cleaning, and they're bringing unprecedented amounts of material to our convenience centers," end quote. Wake County is asking residents to be patient, as the increased volume, along with new requirements for social distancing and equipment cleaning, have led to delays. Some hours have been changed to improve the flow of visitors. Convenience centers, for instance, now open at noon on Sundays. Today, Commissioner of Prisons Todd Ishii said there are no current plans for mass testing of inmates at state prisons. Mass testing was performed recently at Noose Correctional Institution in Goldsboro, which found more than 400 of the 700 inmates there had been infected. Outbreaks have been reported at only 10 state prisons so far, with the second largest being the 19 cases at Pasquotank Correction Institution in Elizabeth City. Meanwhile, the state health plan has obtained more than 20,000 coronavirus tests to be able to test more than 16,000 correction officers and other employees at the state's 56 prisons over the next few weeks. Yesterday, an inmate at Pender Correctional Institution in Burgaw died of coronavirus-related complications, becoming the first person in the state prison system to die of the virus. Go Durham is limiting the number of passengers allowed on each bus to 16 to make it easier to maintain social distancing on buses during the pandemic. When the number of riders on a bus reaches 16, the operator may change the header destination sign to Bus Full to alert riders on the street that they may need to wait for the next bus. Drivers also will stop and inform riders of the situation. And lastly, the State Department of Transportation has formed a public-private partnership that will use drones to deliver critical medical supplies and food during the coronavirus outbreak starting in May. WakeMed, UPS, and Matternet are planning to start using a drone to shuttle miscellaneous supplies and equipment between WakeMed's main hospital in Raleigh and the WakeMed Garner Healthplex. The shift will free up their delivery drivers to focus on materials needed to fight the pandemic, officials said. In Holly Springs, Flytrex is planning to deliver food from multiple restaurants in a shopping center to nearby neighborhoods, helping people abide by stay-at-home orders. In a statement, Transportation Secretary Eric Boyette said, quote, "North Carolina has been a leader in demonstrating how drones can help people in times of crisis. We look forward to putting this technology into productive use as we work to help citizens and medical professionals during the COVID-19 pandemic." This has been your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. As always, if you like the information and resources you're getting from the show, let us know by giving us a rating and review on whatever podcast app you use. While you're there, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for listening.